Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Nikmatuniaya, MSc Accounting, as a lecturer in the Research and Methodology. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Rasati, student majoring in Accounting Study Program, Semarang State Polytechnic, with the name 341-19-517, who will present the result of my final project, proposal entitled Implementation of Activity-Based Costing or ABC on Hospital Service Rate Study on RSU Banyumanik 2 Semarang. So there are 4 presentation structure that I will convey. The first is introduction, the second is literature review, the third is research methodology, and the last is writing system. So for the first, I will explain about the background. The rapid development of the business world has resulted in intense business competition. Each company competes with each other's strategies in an effort to attract consumers. The competition is not only business competition in manufacturing or industry, but also in trade and service business. One of service business is healthy service, especially hospital service. Well, this is proven by the increasing number of hospitals, both government and private. As a result of the increasingly rapid development of hospital, it creates stiff competition as well. This demands competition for products and customer trust. The competition includes tariff for inpatient service, rates for outpatient treatment service, tariff for healthy therapy service, X-ray rates, and others. Hospitals in determining the cost of products sometimes still use traditional cost accounting, where traditional cost accounting provides distorted cost information. With the development of service and activity-based product costing, system was born which was designed to overcome distortion in traditional cost accounting. The accounting system is activity-based costing or ABC. Activity-based costing is an accounting information system that identifies various activities carried out within an organization and collects costs based on the existing nature of these activities. Banyumanik Hospital is a hospital that is engaged in providing service for patient needs and over service to meet the needs of the sick and accompanying service to customers. Banyumanik Hospital provides service for dentists, physiotherapy specialists, nutrition specialists, and internal medicine specialists. And Banyumanik Hospital provides rooms for patients who require inpatient care and service outpatient. Banyumanik Hospital is committed to providing health service that prioritize patient and patient safety by always maintaining the quality of service. Next, there are formula of the problem. The first is how to calculate the rate of inpatient service using the activity-based costing system at Banyumanik General Hospital to Semarang. The second is how does the difference in inpatient service rates compare by using the activity-based costing system with traditional cost accounting calculation at Banyumanik General Hospital to Semarang. The next is purpose of the research. The first is to find out the rate of inpatient service by using the activity-based costing system at Banyumanik General Hospital to Semarang. The second is to find out the difference in inpatient service rates by using the activity-based costing system with the calculation of traditional costing accounting at Banyumanik General Hospital to Semarang. And from the research that I made, of course, it has benefits for the future, namely for companies. It is expected to help hospitals provide information on the possible implementation of the activity-based costing in taking into account costs, determination of principal prices, especially in inpatient units. Inpatient units for the writers to obtain knowledge about the application of the activity-based costing system in relation to determining the rate of inpatient service and to compare the play of the theory obtaining about the activity-based costing system during the study with practice that occurred in the business world can actually add to the literature. For further discussion, I will deliver as to literature review. The first is Cost of goods or service, namely, a service is a task or activity performed for a customer or an activity using an organization products or facilities. Hansen and Mowen 2004. Insurance coverage, healthcare, dental care, funeral service are example of various service activity performed for customers. And the second is activity-based costing. Well, there are 3 points which are definition of activity-based costing, basic concept of activity-based costing, and structure of activity-based costing. Then, third review is differences between traditional method and activity-based costing system. And for the last is review is cost driver for furthermore material delivery, namely research methodology, which is divided into 4 parts. There are data type, data source, data methods of collecting data, and the last is data analysis method. Data source primary data is data obtained and collected from the result of field research through direct interviews between researchers and the hospital in order to obtain data related to the problem as a first step in research and then for further processing. Secondary data is the data obtained is data that has been processed in company documents such as a brief history of the hospital, organizational structure, and financial data which are related to this research, especially in determining the cost of hospitalization rates. For data methodology of collecting data observation, the first is step before conducting research is direct observation of the object to study to see the situation and condition of the object documentation, data collecting techniques to obtain secondary data by viewing, recording, and documenting data from the hospital that support the research. The researchers conducted direct interviews with the hospital related to the application of the activity-based costing system. To calculate the cost of hospitalization, this technique is used to obtain information about the organizational structure, the authority, and duties of each section, the company's accounting policies regarding the determination of relevant costs in calculating the cost of hospitalization. Research used in this research is comparative research. According to Sugiono 2014, it's a study that compares the state of one or more variables in 2 or more different samples or at a different time. This study compares the cost of hospitalization of patients who have been determined at Banyumanik Hospital with the cost of hospitalization of patients using the calculation method of activity-based costing. For the last explanation is about writing system. There are 5 points. The first is introduction, the second is data review, the third is methodology, the fourth is discussion, and the last is closing. For our self-formation, here is my research schedule from April to June. So I have finished my explanation regarding my final project proposal. Hopefully it can be accepted. And thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.